Hotel Transylvania 2. Released 2015, directed by Jendy Tartakovsky. More Hotel Transylvania 2, 233 of 575 the best animated films ever, 83 of 105 the best Halloween movies for kids, 35 of 50 the best and worst of Adam Sandler. Monsters University. Released 2013, directed by Dan Scanlon. Pulp Fiction. Released 1994, directed by Quentin Tarantino. Fargo. Released 1996, directed by Ethan Coen, Joel Coen. More Fargo. Small details, trivia and interesting tidbits about Fargo that made us say you betcha. Theories about why the Coen bros had Marge Gunderson go on a date in Fargo. 18 of 242 the best psychological thrillers of all time. Reservoir Dogs. Released 1992, directed by Quentin Tarantino. More Reservoir Dogs. 217 of 1540 the most rewatchable movies. 64 of 152 movies that should never be remade. 13 of 123 the best mafia films of all time.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video then. Take care, bye.